Hey guys, we're going to go through and we're going to do some addition and subtraction worksheets, all right? So here first is the beginning of our chapter 1. So it's going to go through and it gives us some vocab words. So 0 added to or subtracted from any number is still that number. So when we have 8 plus 0, it will always be 8. And if we have 8 subtracted from 0, it'll still always be 8. So it says here that the order of the numbers doesn't matter in addition, but it does matter in subtraction. So if you have 7 plus 2 equals 9, it'll still be 9 if it's 2 plus 7. But when it comes to subtraction, if it's 6 minus 4, that will equal 2. But if it's 4 minus 6, then you all of a sudden are going to not have the same answer. You're going to have a negative number. So problems can be written either across like this as 7 minus 2 plus 5, or you can have it up and down as 6 plus 4 equals 10. So we have a couple more vocab words. Here we have addition. So 3 plus 6 equals 9, which addition is when we combine numbers together to make a bigger number. And then there's subtraction. So something like 7 minus 2 equals 5. Which is when we take away from a number to make it smaller. So then there's a sum. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. So a sum is the total when you add numbers. So that 10, that's our sum. And the difference, which is 7 minus 3 equals 4, that's a total when you subtract numbers. So remember, sum will be addition and the difference will be subtraction. So now I need to find the word, and it asks for the total when you subtract numbers, which we just said was the difference. Excuse my poor little d there. My handwriting isn't the greatest with this freehand, but it gets the job done. All right, guys. So we're going to do some more vocab again. So a plus sign is used when you add numbers, and a minus sign is used when you subtract numbers. So an added in, whatever, is 3 plus 7 equals 10. So it's any numbers that are being added. And the place value, so there's tens and ones. So it's the value of a digit based upon its position in a number. So we need to find a sign you use when you add numbers. And that, if you guys go up to your top, will be our plus sign. Okay. So we're going to look at the picture and we're going to do it to complete our math problem. So we have what plus 5 equals 7. So altogether, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds on this side. So how many birds do we have here? We have 1, 2. Stop going so far, computer. Okay, so we need to write our sum in the box. So we have 7 on our number line, and then we're going to add 2 more on our number line. So we're going to go 1, 2 to equal us at 9. And here we have 6 for our number line, and we're going to add 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to 10. On this side, we have 1, and we're going to add 5. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get 6. And this time they wanted to know what we added at the beginning, which was 1. So here we had 5, and we're adding 3. So we're going 1, 2, 3 to get us to 8. So we'll come down to our next page. And now we're going to do some subtraction. So we're going to subtract a number. So overall, we had 10 boxes here. And now we're going to go backwards because we're going to take away 5. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we are left with 5. So here we're going to start at 6 and we're going to subtract 3. So we're going to count backwards. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 to equal 3. So here, guys, we started with 8. We're going to take away 2. So we're going to go backwards. We're going to go 1, 2 to equal 6. And here we are starting with 7, and we're going to take away 4. So we're at 7, and we're going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4 to equal 3. So now we need to see how many birds are leaving the flock. So altogether we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We see that at the end there are 4 left. So this group is of 4. So if we have 4 left, how many, these ones are the ones that flew away. So how many are that? That's 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 3 will equal 4. Okay, guys, we're almost done. We just got a few more pages. So now we might have subtraction or addition. So we're going to have to really pay attention because we need to figure out what sign, the plus or this minus sign, that we're going to need to circle. So if we had 6 and we're getting up to 8, so we're going to add something. So we're going to add 2 to get to 8. We're going to circle the plus sign. So here we have 9. Something happens with a 4 and we get to 5. So we get to a smaller number. So it looks like we're probably going to subtract because I think we're going to count backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we count backwards. So you're going to want to circle the minus sign. Here we have 7. Something happens with the 1 and we get to 6, which is 1 smaller than 7. So it looks like we counted backwards. So we're going to circle the minus sign. And here we had 4, and it looks like there's a 3, and then all of a sudden we get to 7, which is bigger than 4. So we count up 1, 2, 3. So we're going to get a plus sign. So here, guys, we have 8, and then something happens with the 2 to get to 10. Now remember, we're getting bigger again, and we have 2 of these like brownish boxes. So it looks like we're going to be using the plus sign. So here we have 5. Something happens with 3 and we get to 2. So we get to a smaller number and there's only one of these brown boxes. So I think we're going to subtract. Let's count backwards. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it gets us to our 2. So we're going to circle the minus sign. So now we have a story. So on Saturday, Mila cleaned and swept her room. Under her bed, she found 7 socks and 3 books. So how many things altogether were under her bed? So she had 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She added 3. 1, 2, 3. To get to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So she had 10 things under her bed. So our last page, guys, we're going to be doing addition and subtraction within just 0 to 10. So if we have 6, we're going to add 1 more. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. So remember, guys, if you flip the way it's written, it's the same answer. So this is the 1 plus 6, which is the same as that problem, just flipped. So we're going to write 7. And do you guys remember at the very beginning, we said that if we add 0 to something, it stays the same? So 6 plus 0 equals 6. That will be true. So down at the bottom here, we have 9 minus 4. So I have 9. I'm going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, which leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, guys, we have 2, and we're going to add 7. We're going to go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, Miss Brady needs some help sometimes. So all together we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And guys, if you remember the sum here, because it says circle the sum is going to be our total. So 6 plus 2 will equal 8. Okay, so a few more problems and we're good to go. So we had 7 and we're taking away 3. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3 to leave us with 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, guys, we have 10. We're gonna take away 8. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which leaves us with 1, 2. And remember that it says here, circle the difference. And the difference is our answer for subtraction problems. So if we have 7 and we take away 2, the difference is 5. 3 problems, 4 problems actually, because we have word problem left. We can do it, guys. So we have 5. We add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, guys. 3. We're taking away 2. Leave us with 1. So write our signs in the boxes. So plus and minus. Last problem. As Gerald was walking his dog, he saw 9 geese standing by a pond. His dog barked and 6 flew away. So how many geese are left? So we have 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flew away. So we have 1, 2, 3 geese left. All right, guys, be on the lookout for some more math videos. Good job.